Hello again, kindergarten. Today I'm so excited for our phonics lesson. We are going to learn digraph TH. But before we get started, let's do a quick little warm-up. So you're going to repeat a word after me, and then you're going to say it without the initial or beginning sound, okay? Let's get started. Number 1, echo seat. Now say it without the S. So we should have said, let's say it together, eat. Good job. Next, repeat after me. Lime. Now say it without the L. Okay, what about bait? Say it without the B. Next is same. Say it without the S. Next, bike. Say it without the B. Next is toad. Say it without the T. And last is soak. Say it without the S. Okay, great job. Now, I want you to echo these words after me and listen for the sound that's in the same or beginning position of all the words, okay? Say though, there, those. What sound do you hear in the initial position in those words? Say mm. Good job. So let's look at these words. What letters do you see that might make the th sound? Than and that. TH, right? So what do we call two letters that come together to make one sound? Does anyone remember? Say digraph. And how do we code digraphs? We underline them, right? So we're going to underline than, or TH and than, and TH and that, just like that, okay? Now, I want you to watch this hair tie rubber band guy I have, and see what happens when I pluck it like a guitar. So if I pluck it like this, it vibrates, right? So it goes to my hand and it vibrates, and it moves. That's what our vocal cords do when we make some sounds. So now I want you to put your fingertips on the front of your neck like this, and then repeat after me. Say, mm. Mm. What do you notice? It's vibrating, right? So when a letter sound makes your vocal cords move like that or vibrate, it is called a voiced sound. Say voiced sound. Now let's try a sound that is not voiced so you can feel the difference. So put your fingers back and say S. Do you feel any vibrations when you say S? No, because that is not a voiced sound. So since TH makes our vocal cords move or vibrate, it is called a voiced sound. And we draw a line through the TH in these words to show that they are voiced when we're coding. We'll call this line a voice line. Say voice line. So just draw a line right through it like that, okay? So I do my line right underneath the T. They're not very straight because I was doing it like this, but that's okay. Now let's look at the first word, than. Does this word need any other coding? Do you see a vowel in it? So it needs coding, right? So, than. How are we going to code the A? It's a short A sound. And we know we code short A sounds or short vowels with a breve, right? Now let's look at that. At. How do we code short A? With a breve. Do I need any other coding? Nope, you're good to go. Now we're going to look at our worksheet. So we are on lesson 117, like this. So now whenever you hear me or your parents say, you know you write TH, okay? So for number 1 on 117, let me erase this little guy. So for number 1, there's the line. Repeat after me. Write the lowercase letters on number 1 that make the sound. That one was kind of silly. So our example, it should look like this. Our example of the sound, the picture that goes with it, is a feather, because feathers in the middle of it. Now I want you to circle all the digraph THs in the box. You can count them up. How many did you count? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Good job. So now that you've circled the THs, I want you to go through and I want you to code these. So to do this, you are going to code all the digraphs first. So we've learned digraph TH, CK, and SH. So you're going to go through and code the digraphs with underlines. So all SHs, THs, and CKs in that box should be underlined like this. All of them. Okay, what does that leave us? I'll give you a minute to go through and do that. That leaves us with combination QU. Does anyone remember how we code combination QU? With an arc underneath, right? So all of your QU should be coded like that. Okay, once you've underlined and arced, then turn your paper over and we're going to do a practice spelling test real quick, okay? Are you good to go? Okay, for number 2, repeat after me. That. Circle the word that in box number 2. Number 3, repeat after me. This. Circle the word this in box number 3. Number 4, the. Circle the word the in box number 4. Number 5, than. Circle the word than in box number 5. Great job, kiddos. The bottom is your high frequency words. I want you to go through and read these 2 times today with your parents, okay? Okay, I'll see y'all later.